Hello everyone and welcome back to NPStation. This is the third video in the PDF file series on NPStation. If you haven't already, please check out the previous two videos. What we did was we actually created two separate programs, one which was a PDF merger program and the second was a PDF splitter program. So we actually used one PDF file which was comprised of many pages, and we were able to code these programs in less than 10 minutes, and the end result is amazing. So please do watch those two videos, follow along with me in typing the code so you can create those programs as well. Now in today's video, we're actually not going to be coding a program at all. What I wanted to show you guys was a really cool AI tool that I discovered, which is related to PDF files. But first, before we get into the AI tool, what you want to do is download a PDF file of your choice. I'm going to use the same one as I had used in the previous two videos for those programs. So this is called Improve My High School Study Skills, and it's a little PDF file made by EduGuide, and it says your roadmap to student success. So what this actually has is just some little tips on how to be a better high school student. You can see here there's a page on how, if you need help to manage your academic stress, how to listen better, take better notes, and there's a ton of other information which is actually pretty useful for me. But I just downloaded this off the internet. Make sure you have a PDF file as well, and it can be whatever length you would like. Mine is 15 pages. Okay, so now make sure you download that PDF file as well. And now what you want to do is actually search the AI tool that we're using, and it is called chatpdf.com. So this is the home page, and you can see that there are some videos actually that are linked related to this AI tool and what people have created, which is really cool. And you also see here, it gives you a little summary about ChatPDF in general. So it says what it can do for students, for researchers, professionals. It's simple and secure, cited sources, and any language, which is amazing. The main thing, what we're going to be working with is this section right here. So you can see it's asking to drop your PDF file. So what you're going to do is click on, I'm going to use browse my computer. You can do from URL as well. But since I already downloaded that PDF file, I'm just going to open it here, and it will open it up, and it will open this new window. So you can see that there are three different sections on the screen. So the far left corner, right or left side of the screen, just has the list of PDF files which you may download or upload into the ChatPDF AI tool. So far, of course, I only have this one PDF, and then here in this middle section you actually have the PDF file itself. So you can scroll through and see what the PDF file is comprised of. Now on the far right hand side of the screen, you can see that it has a little text box written. So let's go ahead and read what it says. Welcome to Improve My High School Study Skills. That's what the PDF is called. This EduGuide is designed to help you study smarter, not harder, and improve your grades. Discover your learning style, create an effective studying plan, and manage academic stress with our helpful tips and real-life stories. Here are 3 questions you might have about this EduGuide. So guys, look at that. It literally provided you a summary of this entire PDF, and you didn't even have to ask for it. And it also gives you 3 example questions that you actually might have based on this PDF file. So the questions it provides us is, how can I determine my preferred learning style? What strategies can I use to manage academic stress? And how can I take better notes that will make sense when I study them later? So that's great. Now let's say you do want to ask one of these questions. Let's say my question was, how can I take better notes that will make sense when I study them later? What you do is, you can see there's this blue button. If you hover over it, it says ask this question, and when you click, it's going to send that to the chatbot, and it will provide you with the response. And look, it says, to take better notes that will make sense when you study them later, you should follow these tips from pages 9. So you can click on the number, and it will take you to that page in the PDF file. So you see here, it opened the page 9, and it's highlighted the information that the chatbot has actually pulled from the PDF file. So it gives you these 8 points, and it simplifies everything that's on the PDF file into simple bullets. So it gives you a bunch of answers for your question that you had on the PDF file. So you can ask any question you have. Imagine how useful this is going to be, guys. My school starts tomorrow, and I'm telling you, this tool is going to be so helpful to me because I can remember a couple of times last year where teachers have given me a very long PDF file with so much information, and I read the whole thing through, and then I also have an assignment that goes along with it, which has like questions based on what I just read. So now, since I've discovered this tool, I can read through the PDF file and then, enter any questions I have to the chatbot, and it will provide me with the answers. And it's not making anything up as well, it's directly from the PDF file. So this is going to make work so much more efficient and easier for me, and I bet it will make your life much easier as well. If I say, what's my favorite color, it's of course not going to give me the answer because, well, yeah, it says as an AI language model, I don't have access to that information. But ask any question related to this PDF file. You can see here there's a page that says help me take tests with confidence. So if you ask how to take tests with confidence, it will provide you the answer. Let's say any other question I can think of on the top of my head. Maybe let's see if this information is in here. How to ace any class. So you can see that it's provided me, while there's no guaranteed way to ace any class, there are some strategies that you can use to improve your chances of success. Here are some tips from pages 15 and 12. So here, this time, it pulled information from 2 different pages, and it gives you the link to the pages as well. So it scrolled to page 15, and it said, it highlighted the information, and there's some points from page 12 as well, which says stay organized and keep track of deadlines. So guys, this is so useful. But that's all for today's video. I just wanted to show you this little tool I discovered. I do not gatekeep, guys, so here you go. This is it. It's called chatpdf.com. So if you ever need to answer any questions or scroll through a very, very, very long PDF file, probably longer than one that's 15 pages, then you might want to use this amazing AI tool. But if you have any more questions or any other ideas and AI tools that you want me to share on my YouTube channel, please let me know in the comments section down below. If you thought that ChatPDF is an amazing AI tool, then please like this video. But that's all for today. Keep reading, keep coding, and stay safe.